Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Kaiweets outlet tester. This one is the KT310T. I was going to compare it with the Glen tool, but the Glen tool went out on me a year later after purchasing it. I changed the battery and it still haven't been working. So this one right here, the Kaiweets, I'm going to be using for my everyday projects here at home. Now, before we start anything, before you start using any outlet, tester, you want to test it first. You want to test it at a known outlet that's working to make sure this is working. Also, this is only for indoor use only. It is suitable for standard 3-wire outlets here in North America, United States. So let me give you a little bit of the things it has. First, I want to say that the plastic does not feel cheap at all. Now, here we have the green light indicator. Right next to it, we have the red light indicator. Right in front of it, we have the GFCI tester. In order to test a GFCI with the Kaiweets outlet tester, you have to press this button and hold it for 2 seconds. The red button is also to reset it and also to start the outlet tester. So let's do some application on this Kaiweets outlet tester and let's see how it goes. Let's try our Kaiweets outlet tester. I am here in my kitchen. It's an old kitchen, so we're going to try it out here. What we're going to do is we're going to press the red button and we're going to hold it, and you see how it turns on, and you can see the LED light nice and bright. What we're going to do is we're going to connect it, and it says correct wire. Let me get you close to it so you can see what's going on. As soon as we plugged in the Kaiweets outlet tester, it gave us the voltage immediately. And as you can see, it says correct. The LEDs are bright enough to see. Now let's test the GFCI. And to do that, we're going to press the test button. We're going to hold it for 2 seconds. Two things should happen. The GFCI should trip. That's one. And number two, it should say pass. If it does not trip, that means there's something going on with the wiring. Let's try. Hold it for 2 seconds. And there you go. It tripped the GFCI. Now, when you take it out, it will not automatically erase. I think it takes it's 5 seconds or something like that. I'll read the owner's manual to see how long does it hold with the current test you did. So let's do another outlet. Now let's try this outlet. I installed this outlet a year ago. Let's see how it's working. Once again, we're going to take the Kaiweets, turn it on, press the red button. We're going to plug it in. Once we plug it in, you can see how fast the Kaiweets works. Give you the voltage immediately, and it's green and it's correct. But let's say it would have say open in the top. That means that the red indicator would have turned on, or it would have say reverse in the bottom. Also, the red light indicator would turn on. This thing is fabulous. I like the way it works. It works fast. So I'll give you some closing thoughts. Before I do my closing thoughts on the outlet tester, I want to say is that I am not a licensed electrician. Whenever you are doing any electrical work at home, you should consult a licensed electrician. Now, my thoughts on the Kaiweets outlet tester. Yes, I recommend it. 1, it does not feel cheap. 2, I like how fast it works. Also, the test mode, the GFCI, works quickly. Also, what else? The light indicators are bright. The LED lights are bright. Do I recommend this? Yes. You know, I was thinking when I was doing this, when I bought my home, I should have used it, even though you send an electrician to try all your outlets and you don't know if they did come to try the outlet. I myself could have used one of these to test all the outlets to see if all my electrical work is done correctly. Do I recommend it? Yes. I'm going to put a link below of where you can purchase this. And I hope you enjoy this the same way I enjoyed it. And if you have one of them, leave me a comment below. Later.